If you are looking for the perfect power adapter for your OPPO Reno 15, then you need to find a power adapter that has 80 watts and uses UFCS technology, for example, a Super VOC power adapter. Now in this case I have 120 watts Super VOC power adapter, so that is slightly more than it is maybe not recommended but required for the fastest charging speed, but it still works exactly the same as an 80 watts power adapter would. So you are looking for a power adapter that has 80 watts, uses UFCS, for example the Super VOC, and this is gonna be perfect. So ideally, also in terms of brands, you are looking for like OPPO, OnePlus, or Realme, or some similar brands. And usually they have the Super VOC technology. They use that in order to charge the smartphones, and this is what you're looking for. Of course, you can also get other power adapters. However, if you find a power adapter that has BPS technology instead, then you only can charge with 55 watts at most. And PD and QC power adapters can be used, but they use only 13, I mean the phone will use only 13.5 watts at most. So there is a huge difference. That's why it is recommended to get Super VOC technology, and I mean a power adapter with that technology, of course, and it should have 80 watts or more. If you happen to find a power adapter that has less than 80 watts but it uses Super VOC, then it's still gonna be fine. You can still use it. It's still gonna charge the phone, of course, but it's gonna be a little bit slower if we compare it to the aforementioned 80 watts power adapters. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.